All right, so looking at the same question that we just solved using the number line, I'm going to solve it using the standard algorithm. As you can see, I have it set up two different ways right here. The first of which we're going to solve, we're just going to look at the fractions first. We're going to look at our denominators. We have common denominators already, so we're just going to bring that on down here because we don't add our denominators. Now let's go ahead and add our numerators. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. So we have 2/3, and then you add your whole numbers. 2 plus 4 gives you 6. So you have 6 and 2/3. Now, the other way resembles what we did yesterday, where you convert each mixed number into an improper fraction or a fraction greater than 1. All right. How do you do that? Denominator times whole number. So that's 3 times 4, which gives us 12. And then you add your numerator. So plus 1 gives us 13. We have 13/3. And we're going to do the same thing with this fraction here. Now, it doesn't matter which one you choose to convert first. You can pick whichever one you want to convert first. So now we have 3 times 2, which is 6. Denominator times whole number. And then you add your numerator plus 1 gives us 7. And we have 7/3. All right. Add those together. 7/3 plus 13/3. As we stated over here for the in the first example, you don't add your denominator. So our denominator is going to remain 3. Add your numerators. 7 plus 13 gives us 20. All right. Also, as we showed yesterday, when the denominator is lower than your numerator, you have to divide because there will be situations where you see the answer represented two separate ways on your MCAP, and you need to be able to select both correct answers. And the way we do this is by division because, again, fractions are division problems. All right. So we're going to go ahead and solve this improper fraction. We're going to go ahead and convert this improper fraction back into a mixed number. All right, and we should get 6 and 2/3. 3 doesn't fit into 2, but it does fit into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. You subtract, and you're left with the remainder of 2. It's probably kind of hard to see that 2 there. So our whole number was 6. Our remainder was 2. And our divisor was 3. 6 and 2/3, just as we had over here when we solved it using the standard algorithm in method 1.